Good morning, students. Today we will take the exercises of packing, thinking about the text, discuss in pairs and answer each question below in a short paragraph, that is 30 to 40 words. These types of questions come of 2 marks. So students, you have to write these questions. First question is, how many characters are there in the narrative? Name them. Yes, how many characters? There are 3 main characters, 4 main characters in the narrative, including Montmorency. They are first J.K. Jerome, the narrator himself, second George, and third Harris, and fourth is their pet dog Montmorency. Now see second question, why did the narrator volunteer to do the packing? The narrator thought that George and Harris would not let him do the packing out of formality. Therefore, he volunteered to do the packing as a formality. Then he would boss over the job, but it didn't happen. Now see question number 3. How did George and Harris react to this? Did Jerome like their reaction? George and Harris at once agreed to the narrator's suggestion to do the packing, but Jerome did not like it. What was Jerome's real intention when he offered to pack? What was Jerome's real intention? His real intention was to boost the job while George and Harris did the packing, but their agreeing to the packing irritated him. Next question. What did Harris say after the bag was shut and strapped? The bag was shut and strapped. Then Harris asked Jerome if he had put the boots in. It was Harris' habit did not say a word until the job was finished. Next question. What horrible idea occurred to Jerome a little later? Jerome, what horrible idea? Jerome opened the bag. As he was going to close it, a horrible idea came to him. It was if he had packed his toothbrush. He had problems always with his toothbrush. Next question. Where did Jerome finally find the toothbrush? Jerome found his toothbrush inside a boot. Then he repacked the things once more. Why did Jerome have to reopen the packed bag? Jerome had packed his tobacco pouch in the bag, so he had to reopen the packed bag. He reopened it to get the pouch. When he had finished packing, George had asked him if the soup was in, but he didn't care for that. Question number 9. What did George and Harris offer to pack and why? George and Harris offered to pack because the hampers were yet not packed. They thought that they had better do the rest, but they started breaking the things. Next question, question number 10. While packing the hamper, George and Harris do a number of foolish and funny things. Foolish and funny things. Take the statement that are true. First, they started with breaking a cup. True. They also broke a cup. False. They squashed a tomato. Yes. True. They trod on the butter. Yes. Right. They stepped on a banana. Wrong. They put things behind them and could not find them. Right. They stepped on things. They stepped on things. Yes, right. They packed the pictures at the bottom and put heavy things on the top. Right. They upset almost everything. They upset almost everything. Yes, right. They were good, very good at packing. Yes, right. Now see. What does Jerome say was Montmorency's ambition in life? What do you think of Montmorency and why? Jerome said that Montmorency's ambition in his life to get in the way and be sworn at. He wants to be a perfect nuisance and make people mad. It is his habit to enjoy things being thrown at him. He then feels his day has not been wasted. He wants to get somebody to stumble over him and curse him for an hour. It is his highest aim and object in life. Harry St. George were packing. Montmorency came and sat on the things. He felt that Harry St. George were going to touch his wet nose. He thought the lemons were rats and killed 3 of them. It is the natural, original sin that is born in him. It makes him do things like that. So students, I think you are able to write all these questions and able to understand them. Thank you, students.